Which wheel spacers brand is best for your Mercedes G-Class? When it comes to Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers, brands matter. Brands offer safety and reduce the risk of disappointment. High-quality brand spacers pay off big time in terms of reliability. This is especially critical when you frequently go off-roading. High-quality Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers with a level of reliability can also reduce maintenance costs. Real Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers from reputable companies are always the safety options. Companies that provide quality, well-made Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers invest their helping some in designing and testing their product. Years of research and development make their Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers safer and more reliable. So, German brand Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are exactly safe for daily driving or off-roading. It is proven that as long as you use quality Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers and install them properly, there will be no safety issues. BONOSS brand Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers strive to maintain top quality and the best user experience. Designed with longevity and consumer safety in mind, BONOSS promises an uncompromised fit, finish, and level of quality. Apart from the base function of spacers, BONOSS Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers provide more particular features. For example, the FT function, distribute in petal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as actuators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, and improve safety. In order to distinguish the real BONOSS Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers and protect customer interest, BONOSS has built a complete authentication system. When you get the BONOSS Mercedes G-Class wheel spacer, check the authentication code on the package, then compare these numbers with BONOSS official store's database. If they don't match, they are not genuine BONOSS products. It is always good to use genuine brand Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers. Each BONOSS genuine wheel spacers is BONOSS in grade. These Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are made in BONOSS own factory, so the quality is well guaranteed. Besides, genuine BONOSS Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are covered by the manufacturer warranty. Good quality is guaranteed to perform well and last for the life of the vehicle.